There was a couple of questions about having foods in a Instapot, even though the ingredients might be the same, if that would kind of be the same, or things that we cook quickly. So part of what we do to activate this yin energy is this slow cook for a long time. So things that cook things fast aren't going to cultivate the same yin energy. But it's good, better, best. So if you're busy and you're working and you're making something quickly that have some of those ingredients that we listed, that's great. So don't think that it's not going to be good if you cook it fast. But better, best is if if you have something simmering for a long period of time, that tends to activate that yin and support the kidneys. And often, like, I'll make a big thing of bone broth and then just freeze it and then just bring it out as I need it, or to make, if I want to make it, use it in a base for something. Just lots of sort of simple things we can do. It doesn't have to be a long drawn out process.